That's fantastic. And it's going to so screw them over. It's going to be a bit difficult for them to understand, but I thought that was just fabulous because it was so, it's so typically Stephen to come up with an idea like that. I don't think anybody's ever done something like that before, and talk about playing with time. And, oh my God, I mean, in a way, I don't know whether he said they've ever broached the subject before, but it means that there was sex on the TARDIS. Which, it's a children's show and everything, BBC, but
their wedding night, to be fair, makes it somehow better.
Wedding night? Well, but it's the TARDIS, you know, there's a bedroom. Or maybe not, maybe a toilet, you know?
I'm not divulging where it happened in the TARDIS.
So I thought it was absolutely fantastic, yeah.
Yeah, me too. I was like, this is so cool.
In fact, it was inside you.
Oh. Isn't that strange?
Nice.
And on that note,
Wow.
yes,
If either of you ever got to play a Doctor Who monster, which monster would you be?
Well, Matt always says that I should be a silence because I already look like one.
And we wouldn't remember.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd probably be one of those.
I think I'd like to be a Silurian.
Really?
Yeah. Interesting.
A lizard?
Yeah.
Sure.
why not? Thank you.
Expected it.
Yes.
Hi!
Hi.